Let us solve this problem. To solve this problem, you first of all clear the fraction. How do you clear the fraction? By multiplying all through by the LCM of 5 and 3. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? Is 15. So you multiply all through by 15. So you get 15 into 3x plus 2 all over 5 minus 15 into 2x plus 3 all over 3 equals to 3 times 15. So 3 here, 5 here, 1. 5 into 15 is 3. And 3 here, 1. 3 into 15 is 5. So you have here is 3 into 3x plus 2 minus 5 into 2x plus 3 equals to 3 times 5. So it gives you 45. So we now clear the brackets. So this one now become 9x plus 6. This one now become minus 10x minus 15 equals to 45. Now you correct like times. This one will become 9x minus 10x. So you are done with the x now, will be equals to 45. This one will become plus 15 minus 6. So this one will become minus x will be equals to 45 plus 15, 60. 60 minus 6, 54. This one will become 54. So you are looking for x. You divide both sides by minus 1. So x now be equals to minus 54. That is final.